Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add pronunciations to the VoiceOver on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, these are all going to work the same. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit to find accessibility, so click on accessibility. Then you want to go to the VoiceOver, and then you want to go to the speech. And here the second option is going to be pronunciation, so let's click on this one. And once you're here, you want to click the plus. So what are the pronunciations? Because some of you might don't know, so you can select the phrase. So type the word that the VoiceOver is going to read, and the substitution is going to be the actual what VoiceOver is going to say. So let's say I want to write here Piotr, because this is the Polish name of Peter. So every time now someone is going to send me a message and write there Piotr, the substitution is going to be Peter, because I don't want to hear Piotr like in English. It would read this word, but I want to hear Peter, so let's just select play it.
Peter.
As you can see, now if someone is going to send me a message and I'm going to use VoiceOver, so let's say in the message is going to be something like yesterday I was on a coffee with Piotr, so the VoiceOver is going to read yesterday I was on a coffee with Peter. So this is how it works. Also, you have this option with languages, so in which language the VoiceOver is going to read it. The voices you can select from different ones, that there are a lot of many, and you can select all. You can also choose to ignore case or not, or if you want to apply to all apps or not. If you don't want to apply to all apps, you can select to which application you would like to apply this. So you can apply this only to messages, for example, as I said earlier about the messages. I'm going to leave it to all apps, and after all, you just click back, and this is how you can add a pronunciation to the VoiceOver. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!